We've just seen the first real-life hands-on videos of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, revealing the actual device rather than a prototype. The first video shows a working unit, and in the second, we get a closer look at the significant design changes. The Pixel 9 Pro XL now features glossy sides, which could track fingerprints, but the standout update is its beautiful matte finish. The camera design has also been revamped. In addition, Twitter user Mystery Lupin has shared live photos and specs of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google is struggling to keep the Pixel 9 series under wraps as leaks continue to emerge before the official launch. The latest leak offers a detailed look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL's specifications. This highly anticipated flagship is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip and the Titan M2 security processor. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2992 x 1344 pixels and a brightness of 3000 nits. It will run on Android 14, with an update to Android 15 expected soon. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability. Its camera system includes a 42-megapixel /2.2 selfie camera, a 50-megapixel /1.68 wide lens, a 48-megapixel /1.7 ultra-wide lens with a 123 degrees field of view, and a 48-megapixel /2.8 zoom lens with 5x optical zoom. The device is priced at $1,099.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality.